remove the unit again, making sure to turn off the breaker, and I'm taking the battery out. So I'll do two things here. First, I'm going to use a compressed air can and blow out any dust or debris inside the unit itself. Now this could help clean things up and solve your issue. And on most of these units, if you actually want to get a deeper clean, what you can do is just with a standard screwdriver. On this one, there's 3 tabs. You just need to press in lightly. That's the second one, and then when I do the third, everything pops off and I can see inside. And I can already see there's definitely some type of lint or dust buildup inside this smoke and carbon monoxide detector. So now with the housing out, you have much better access and you can blow all the components off, getting as clean as possible. The only other thing I do in this last step is I make sure that the contacts for the positive and negative on the 9-volt are not pushed in and deformed. So I make sure they're pulled out and would make solid contact to the battery, so that's not causing the issue. Once I've done that, then I'll put the housing back into place. I can reinsert the battery, and then I will reinstall the smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector.
So hopefully that helped you out. Let me know down in the comments if that worked for you. Remember, when it comes to smoke and CO2 detectors, usually the lifespan of those are only 10 years, and then you should be getting a new unit. So don't troubleshoot for too long, or if you're questioning how old that unit is, it might be best just to go get new units and get those installed. Now, another super annoying common maintenance item around our house is when our doors don't latch anymore. We try to close them and we don't get to latch close. There are easy fixes, and check out this video right here. I'll walk you through the top 3 fixes, starting with the easiest first and then kind of progressing up to get your problem solved. So thanks for joining me in this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.